University of Eastern Pangasinan Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both local and global communities. And mission. University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovations, industry-focused education, and sustainable research and value-based curriculum. And we commit to shaping ethical, tribalized bringing our principal certified and culture define our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values is openness, excellence, and passion. And the instructor is our instructor in Net 101 is Sir Philip Michael Awanan. I learned in Net 101 is making the LAN and how making the LAN cable, and next is the Cisco packet. The Cisco packet is the connections of wire and wireless devices and the cables. So, and last is the network. The network is using the routers and the LAN cable we make and connect and identify it's working or not working. And that's it, sir. Thank you po.